Okay, now we're coming to the other side of the lake, which I really like because it's quiet and there's nobody over here on the side. And it's away from everybody, and I have to go down this hill. Pippin, be careful, don't pull me. Whoa, Pippin. Anyways, it's like, I'll go down sideways. Whoa. Whoa, Pippin, don't pull me. No. Anyhow, oh, hi, tree. This is the other side. Taking a break on that tree. Whoa, Pippin, no, don't pull me. Whoa, Pippin, whoa. Okay, come on. Oh, it's a little windy on this side. What the heck? But this is really nice and private. See, it's like in a gully down. Thank you, Lord, for this beautiful day. Oh, it's windy over here. Will you hear it? Listen. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, come on. See if we have any weird bird things happening. Look, you got tangled up again? What the heck, mister? Come here. Okay, come on. I want to go down over here. Uh-oh, I hear a plane. Let's go over here and see. Come on, hurry up. I want to see. Plane. And this is where I used to come fishing when I used to fish. Airplane. Hear him? See. Oh. Can't see you, plane. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing, silly? Right over here. Ew, skeleton. Okay, come this way. Oh, okay, I'll go that way. I'll go around the tree. Come on. Oh, did I say I got this cute little rock in the... Oops, wait, Pippin. Heel, boy, heel. Got this cute little sparkly, crystally... It's kind of pretty. Whoa. Little crystally, cool little thing I spotted. I like that. Come on. And this is another cool point. It's really windy. Look at that tree. That'd be a cool place to do a rope swing, climb up there and swing off of there or something. I'm sure people have done that. I like walking in the I like walking in the winter. I like walking when it's just a little bit of snow like this because I like looking at all the paw prints and I like to hear it crunch. Come on, yeah, I like the crunch and oh, it's really windy over here. Oh boy, how come it's so windy? Oh, look at the rocks. Let's see what we can find over here, Pippin. Oh, look at all the rocks exposed. Cool. Wait, whoa. Pull me down into the drink. Okay, that wasn't a good idea. We're going to go this way. Whoa. Everybody's waiting for me to fall in the water, I guess. Look at it. Look at all the rocks. This is a nice, quiet little spot over here, okay? And then there's the neighborhood. And there's for the people in the neighborhood, I guess. Unless you live there, I guess. I don't know. Right, but Lincoln Camp. Fun place. Oh, is he coming back? See if I can get him. Coming back. I don't know. Look at some pretty rocks. Let's look. Ow. Let's look. I'm looking for rocks, silly. I like when they get washed away. I like when they get washed away from the rain and oops, just popping out in the sand, and you just see them. And how pretty they are, and you just grab them. And I don't know. These are all covered up with sand. Pippin's pulling me right up the mountain here. Ah, okay. He's had enough of that. All right, bye.